glitter everywhere. Powder that falls. I don't know if you can. Hey you guys, it is Aden and welcome back to my channel. So we are 3 subscribers short from hitting 600 and it was my aim. Yeah, please. It was my aim to get 600 by the end of this month. So we have 3 more days. Please make it happen. And in today's video, we have a viral product that I got from Meesho. It is basically a powder highlighter which was viral and I didn't think twice and I got it. And today in this video we are going to be reviewing that. This was supposed to be done with the other lip oils that I got from Meesho, but I got it late. So I thought, you know what, there are 2 different colors. Let me just put a separate video on the highlighters. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So we have our package here and let's open it. So, okay. I did not expect it to be so big. I don't know if the product inside are also this big, but yeah. Moving on. We have 2 highlighters from Perfect Highlighter, which are light and sheer skin highlighters. It is 8 grams and it is from the brand Red 4. I am taking a huge risk putting all this on my face because if the quality is not good, it was in the M Trusted, so that is why I'm trusting it. But if the quality is not good, I will break out. This is in the shade 101 and this is the first highlighter that we have. And look at this. I have never seen something that is so like I've never seen something that is packaged like this. Like it looks like a lip gloss, but it is a highlighter. And I don't know if you could see, but yeah, there was literally glitter everywhere. So this is a highlighter. Coming to the texture, I don't even know how it works. So oh, it's just powder that falls. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is what the highlighter looks like. And I got this set of 2 for 259. So if this works pretty well, then it is definitely a product you could buy, but only if I do not break out after using this. So this is the pigment of the first highlighter and yeah, you can easily blend it. This is what it looks like. So let's just put this on our face. The application is so smooth. You just have to, because it has a wand like this, it is very easy to just do this. And you see that with every stroke I'm getting good pigment. This is what the highlighter looks like and it is good, but I'm it a little difficult to blend it. So you can see the pigment. I don't know if it's the color, but I think blending this is like next to impossible because it's not blending well. Like it gives that golden patch here, but it's not really blending. Blend जाता है ये जैसे वाला ना. Yeah, it's not really blending. No, nothing is happening, but okay, this is in the shade 101 and it is a golden color shade. We also, yeah, obviously I had to get another shade. We also have the silver one and this is what it looks like. And as soon as I do this, there is glitter everywhere. Like it's like snowfall. But yeah, okay, it is dripping. For the packaging minus, I think somebody has used this product. There is glitter everywhere now. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Could actually do this. Packaging minus 10 for this one because I don't know what packaging is this. This is literally leaking from everywhere. This is in a beautiful silver shade and this is what it looks like. This did blend on my hand. The golden one did not, but this actually did blend on my hand. And let me just try it on my face. Inside, if you see, it is a very unique product if you go to see, but it is not really working. That is a different thing. I don't know if it was the golden one, or I don't know if both of these products are not working, but it is in the powder form. Like inside there's little actual glitter in powder form, and then when you dispense it comes out as highlighter. I do not like this because this is like very cheap quality. This is the exact quality that you get makeup brushes from. Let's say if you're getting makeup brushes from a fair, that is the quality of this sponge. So I don't really like it, but let's see if this we could blend this one. And moment of truth. Okay, so you do see the highlight, right? But I don't know if you can blend it. Yeah, this is also not really blending because it is a pretty highlighter, but what's the point if you're not going to blend? Like, I can't look like an LED bulb with just spots of highlighter. It'll look very. Personally, my makeup skills are like on top, and then with this kind of products, it's going to look very. It is going to look very embarrassing. So yeah, this product did not work for me. I am so disappointed. I don't know why did I even get this product. Like, this product was total scam. The reason I got it is because an influencer put a review short about this product, and it was a very unique product. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. And she said that it is good, it blends, but that was cap. Obviously you can see it's not blending, it's not doing anything. So I actually regret buying this. I wasted my money, and yeah, I'm going to return it back. Do not get this product. This teaches us that sometimes things may look pretty, but they're actually not worth it. Like, it looks pretty. Like, this product is literally so unique. But what's the point if you're not going to work? If you're not going to do anything, it does give you the glow. It does highlight. I'm not saying that, but you cannot blend it. That is the only problem. Also, do not like the applicator material. It is a very cheap sponge, so everything you see on the internet you don't have to go and buy it just because people are saying it's good, because sometimes products are going to turn out like this. And yeah, I am now literally worried for my face tomorrow, because if this was not a good product, I would literally be breaking out tomorrow. Also, I have an inflamed pimple here, so on that I applied highlighter smart, and I don't know what is going to happen to my skin. But yeah, the conclusion of the video is this product was definitely a fail. I wasted 18 minutes of my 8 minutes of my life describing a product that was a total waste. So do not get this product. And with that being said, that is the end of the video, you guys. I know I every time make a haul of like a lot of stuff, but this time I wanted it to just be these two highlighters, because I thought I would like get enough time and I would just make it one video and not put this in. I wait for another couple of things to come and then put it, because it's going to delay. Right now my view is a little good and everything is going good on my YouTube. I am just 3 subscribers short, so please make sure you subscribe. And with that being said, I will meet you guys in the next one. Hopefully next video I am screaming on top of my lungs and telling that we hit 600 subscribers. Goodbye. So used to saying good night because of daily vlogs. So bye. I'll meet you guys in the next one.